In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets as a source in NotebookLM to easily analyze and interact with your data. Let's get started. First, I'll confirm that Google Sheets are actually supported. A quick check shows that we can directly import spreadsheets from Google Drive to summarize and extract insights from our structured data, allowing us to ask complex questions about the information within. Next, I'll take a look at the data I want to use. I have a Google Sheet here titled AI Content that outlines the basics of artificial intelligence. It includes sections on core definitions, the different types of AI like narrow and general AI, its benefits in automation, and the various ethical challenges we face today. Now, I'll head over to the NotebookLM homepage and click on Create New to start a brand new notebook. From the upload options, I'll select Drive, locate my specific AI Google Sheets document in the recent files, and click Insert to bring it into the platform. As the source is processed, NotebookLM automatically creates a helpful summary titled Artificial Intelligence, Core Concepts and Applications. It describes the source as a foundational overview of human thought processes, noting how AI enhances decision-making in fields like healthcare and finance while also touching on the societal implications of automation. Finally, I'll test the chat feature by selecting one of the suggested questions regarding the primary ethical challenges and risks of AI. The model quickly analyzes the sheet and explains that these risks include significant concerns regarding job loss, data privacy, and the potential for bias, showing just how effectively NotebookLM can interpret and explain spreadsheet data. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.